Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Watson. John Rainey here, Tidewater Mortgage Services. Just want to go over this personalized mortgage plan for you. We set the parameters at $370,000 sale price, and I'll show you three different options here that I broke down for you, and they're all based off of pricing as of Monday's pricing. So tomorrow the rates will come out about 10:30, and we have all our investors priced by then. We'll be able to go over the pricing with you another time. So starting here, we're going down here, and definitely print the PDF attached in the email before this. You can always pause this and come back, but I want to have you have a copy in your hands. And here we go. And moving down the page, it's the first page, the contact information, of course. This is a introduction letter here. Go ahead and read that at your leisure, and you'll see some good information in there. Page 3, we have total cost analysis. Now this is going to break down the three different payment choices here, program 1, 2, and 3. These are all VA financing, 100% loan to value, and no down payment requirements. You can see that this is the closing cost, and this does include your prepaids and closing costs. So that's the whole kit and caboodle. That's not counting in any earnest money deposit or any type of seller contributions. As you can see, the net payment savings, you have 0 here because this is the most expensive at 4.75, ranging down to 4.5 and even 4.375. And you'll see a different range on the payment and cost here. And you have $85 a month savings, $57 a month, and of course 0 because that's our baseline. And we are using a $370,000 purchase price with assuming a 2% over time appreciation, very conservative number over time, and like to keep everything realistic. So going down here, we're going to see how these three loans are going to perform over time. Now this is based off of program 1, 2, and 3 here. This is based off a 36 months review, and you can see the different cost savings. The net savings on this is going to be 0 because this one's the most expensive loan, and if you had a less than 3-year goal in the house, I would never recommend 1 or 2 on this program option here. But as you can see, you're going to save $2,300 on this because the cost is a little less with the payment savings over time, and this is going to be $1,700, so pretty equal on those two. And again, that's a little more expensive, so a little more longer term goal. And basically we go down to this page here. This is going to break down over a 7 and 15-year plan, and this is also going to show us our freedom point. And the freedom point is going to reflect if you were to take that base savings here, base payment on program 3, and take that savings every single month and put that towards your mortgage over time, this $57 and this $85 will cut your freedom point, which is you don't owe anything on the house, freedom, and down to 27.5 years from the 30-year and 28.25. That just shows you what a little bit of difference payments adding to that will cut the term off of your overall goal of the house. As you can see, you have a net worth of $197,835 at the 15-year point, and a net worth of $262,252 on the 4.5 loan. So I really do see here at the 15-year and 7-year points, you really are going to see that program 2, that 4.5 is going to be your best choice of all three options, and that's why I definitely showed you that one first. As far as your long and short-term goals, definitely this one's going to be able to hit a freedom point a little quicker because you have less payment and you're putting a little more down towards it. But this just makes sense with the cost factor and everything. That 4.5 is really the one I'd recommend for you. Definitely, if you want to buy it down a little bit more and go to that 4.375, we can definitely do that for you. But I just think that keep a little more money in your pocket and go with that program that we showed you at 4.5 is be your best bet. But of course, you have to pay it, and I would definitely always give you what you want. Other than that, we have here, this breaks down all of the exact payment and cost and everything with the different point structures and different APRs. This is your principal and interest payment, P&I. As you go down here, of course, we're estimating your taxes and insurance. I think we're pretty dead on with $315 on the taxes, but the insurance is, of course, estimated. And this would reflect on the bottom here your total principal, interest, tax, and insurance payment, or what we call your PITI, principal, interest, tax, and insurance right there. On the last page here, this is something definitely to take a look at. Goes over, of course, three of my services you can always rely on. The mortgage plan, that's what we're going over right now. Your rate watch, you always know how your mortgage will compare with current mortgages on the market. And we generally will do a yearly or even less if you'd like equity review just to make sure, just a little checkup for your home. Other than that, feel free to always give me a call, and I have attached an approval letter, of course, for 370, as well as this PDF as well. Give me a call anytime. I can always be reached at 513-4004. I look forward to working with you. I'll talk to you soon.